Namaste friends. You know how to make puja thali? Come, let me tell you. This is a puja thali. Now you have to make matching shape picture. First you have to put haldi, then tika, and then what is this?
Akshada.
Akshada. And now we are going to stick all this. Now this thali is ready. Let's